Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make that dreamy, hazy look to your photos in Adobe Photoshop. And it's actually really easy, and I think it's going to take like 30 seconds to make. So let's jump right into it. First off, you import your photo into Photoshop. Command J to duplicate your layer. Otherwise, you can just drag your layer onto this plus sign to create a copy of it. You're going to go to filter and you're going to blur it with your preferred blurring method. You can use the Gaussian blur, you can use the iris blur, whatever you prefer. I want my subject to be glowy, so I'm going to use a blur that can be fixed to my subject only and not the background. So you get these little circles. I'm not going to use them on my subject, but I'm going to use them on my background. So then I'm going to add another one over here. And do something like that so that my background is more in focus than my subject. Press enter. You're basically done already. The only thing you have to do is change the blending mode to something like screen. And look at that. Like, how crazy cool is this? Now to make it even cooler, this has already quite a lot of grain in it, but if you wanted, you could group everything together and merge it. And go to filter, noise, and add some more noise to it. Maybe something like 3. Before, after. A little more grainy, a little more hazy. I really love this effect. And yeah, that's basically it. It's just a couple steps. Really easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, give this video a like. You could also comment what tutorial you'd like to see next. And yeah, that's basically it. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.